Hello there, welcome to Miss Jones's high school level geometry class. Today's lesson is going to be over circles. We are going to learn how to graph circles with the center at the origin and with it translated to other places on the graph. We are also going to learn how to determine what the equation of a circle is from its graph. First off, we need to know the basic formula for circles, which is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. This is where h is the x value of the center and k is the y value of the center. Therefore, the center of the circle being at hk. Notice that the signs of the center point are opposite from those in the equation. That is because it is x minus and y minus. If the center is at negative h, negative k, the equation would be x plus h squared plus y plus k squared equals r squared. Also, the r is equal to the radius of the equation. Notice we use r rather than r squared. The radius, r, is the distance from the center of the circle to the edges. Alright, now it's time for examples. Let's start with an example at the origin.
So if you were thinking about a center that was at 0, 0, or the origin, this equation could be simplified just a little bit more. At 0, 0, the origin. You come up with a much simpler version of this equation because h and k are both 0. So this may be the equation that you are more familiar with, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Now this is only for the equation of the circle that has a center at the origin.
Now, if I were to give you an equation of x squared plus y squared equals 25, what would the center and the radius of the circle be? If you said the center is at the origin, 0, 0, and then the radius is 5, you are correct. Now, to draw the circle, you'll count 5 away from the center on the x-axis to the left and right, and then again on the y-axis to the top and bottom. Then you can connect the points to generate a circle. The end graph would look similar to this. Now for a little tougher equation. If I were to give you x plus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 16, what would the center and the radius be? If you said the center is at negative 2, 3, and the radius is 4, you are correct. Now to graph this, we would plot the center first, which we decided is at negative 2, 3. And then go to the left and right on the x-axis by 4, and up and down by 4 on the y-axis. Then connect those points to create a circle. The graph would look like this. Alright, the last part of today's lesson. Now we are going to get an equation from a graph of a circle that is given to us. To do this, we need to determine where the center of the circle is. In the picture, it is shown at 0, 2. The edge of the circle is also at 3, 2. To get an equation of the line, we need to look at the standard equation, which is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared, where h is the x coordinate of the center and k is the y coordinate of the center. So now we see that the radius equal to 3, so the equation would be x squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 9.